Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dawgz.Ai token, and Dawgz is spelled D-A-W-G-Z. And this token is live for pre-sale right now on their own webpage, Dawgz.Ai. They have a Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, full link tree. They have a white paper, staking section, audit, all sorts of links here. I saw this token advertised on coinsniper.net. Brand new ICO. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Dawgz.Ai. Over there you can find all the links. It says, unleashing the future of meme tokens with artificial intelligent magic. The first AI-powered doggy meme on the blockchain, Dawgz.Ai introduces the latest Memecoin that combines the viral power of memes with cutting-edge AI-powered trading algorithms on the blockchain. Dawgz.Ai merges viral meme culture with advanced AI trading technology to deliver a fun, engaging, and rewarding experience for its community. By leveraging AI to execute trades and the viral nature of memes to grow its ecosystem, Dawgz.Ai is building a platform that rewards users for participating in both aspects. So it says here that the fusion of memes and artificial intelligence is redefining the cryptocurrency landscape, and Dawgz.Ai is leading the charge with an AI-driven trading bot designed to maximize yields and the community-building power of meme culture. Dawgz.Ai offers a unique blend of entertainment and innovation. Featured in Crypto Potato, Coinpedia, Crypto Times, Business Insider, and Blockchain Today, Dawgz.Ai is poised to revolutionize the meme coin space with real AI utility. They seek to reshape the meme coin space by integrating AI-powered trading bots into offer tangible value while maintaining a viral appeal. Our mission is to foster a vibrant, engaged community where users can enjoy memes, earn from the black box AI trading algorithms, and earn rewards through the ecosystem. So the key features, Dawgz keeps the spirit of meme culture alive, encouraging users to create, share, and engage with memes. Meme contests and community events ensure that Dawgz.Ai remains fun and participatory. Our black box AI trading algorithms are at the heart of Dawgz.Ai and engineered by a team of elite analysts and seasoned Wall Street trading veterans with years of experience in the financial markets and algorithmic trading. The team has meticulously crafted our strategies that react to market trends in real time and execute trades and generate optimal yield. So the community engagement is key to Dawgz.Ai's growth. We prioritize user participation through events, meme contests, and rewards that keep the community active and involved in shaping the future of the project. Dawgz.Ai is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain designed to power the ecosystem. The token fuels AI-driven trading, meme activities, and rewards within the platform. Now, the tokenomics here, 10% of the tokens will be allocated to decentralized and centralized exchange liquidity pools. 30% of the tokens go to the pre-sale. 20% goes to the marketing fund. 20% goes to staking rewards. 15% goes to community rewards, and 1% goes to the foundation. The total supply is 8,888,888,888 tokens, and ticker symbol is DAGZ. Now, besides that, if you wanted to get this token here, you would just go to their webpage, which is Dawgz.Ai. They have a spot where it says connect the wallet right at the top of the webpage. You connect your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet. First of all, you would fund your wallet with either ETH, BNB, SOL, USDT, or USDC. They have all different options on here. Say you funded your wallet with ETH. After you connect it, you punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Dawgz.Ai tokens you get for that amount. And the earlier basically you get in on these pre-sales, the more of a discount you get. The price slowly increases. There is a countdown. It says next price increase is in 3 days, 22 hours, 42 minutes. They have the current price, which is right now is 0.00177 USD. And then it shows the next price for the next phase where it'll increase. It also says how much they've raised. So they're looking to raise $412,000 right now. And right now they're at $234,754. So they're more than halfway to this goal here. And yeah, doing very well. So they also have a roadmap on here, starting with concept development, token creation, contract audit, which we'll get to in a second. We're going to check the audit to see if there's warnings. Pre-sale launch, website and social medias, marketing push, community engagement, partnerships, technology, exchange listings, enhanced features, global outreach, and continuous improvements. Then comes the sustainable growth, the AI ecosystem, and mainstream adoption. So they do on the white paper to have a full step-by-step of how to buy this token on the pre-sale, so you could follow that. If you didn't understand how I explained it or you're having troubles, just go to the white paper, follow the steps. They have a full audit here on their webpage here by, who did this audit here? Looks like, yeah, Solid Proof. So they have a full Solid Proof audit here. Now it says here that this token, it says deployer cannot upgrade the contract with new functionalities, so that's good. Ownership is renounced. Then it says the owner cannot mint new tokens, the owner cannot burn tokens, the owner cannot blacklist wallets, the owner cannot set fees more than 25%, the owner cannot lock function, and it says here that I think there's one informational issue. So it says no critical, no high, no medium, no low issues, but there is one informational issue. It says functions that are not used, dead code. And so just be aware that their audit is not perfect. They do have one warning on there. So make sure you thoroughly do your own research before investing in this ICO. And let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.